I see you every day at the same time at this station. You must be going somewhere, going to something.
Well, that's an interesting way of putting it. Yeah, I'm coming from something and going somewhere.
I don't want to reveal your identity. I'm going to go with superhero. You're a superhero.
Well, something like that, I guess.
I'm Quincy.
Hi, Quincy.
You must be coming from work, some office, some boring job.
Well, I don't work in an office.
I think every superhero needs a theme song. I have one for you.
Please.
Superhero theme song, coming out strong. We're wearing your disguises all over town. We're going uptown, yeah, going downtown. Superhero.
Amazing. Who knew that
Superhero theme song for you.
I don't know if you know this, but when you play, you can be heard at the 96th Street stop as well. Close by is the D train from the 59 to 125th. If you are unlucky, you might get some showtime dancers that kick in the head while you try to walk past. But if you're lucky, then you get a musician who plays beautiful music for like 6 or 7 minutes. And that means you get 2 full songs. Amazing, right? If this whole 86th Street station doesn't work out for you, you may want to consider the D train. With the manager? I'm just kidding. I wish I had your job. I mean, what's the expression? Once you love what you're doing, then it's not a job, is it?
Hello, Barbara. Barbara, here's your bag. Where are you? What's that?
You looking for Barbara?
Yeah, I am.
I haven't seen her in a while. You a friend of hers?
Kind of.
Oh, that's suspicious.
I found her bag and I want to get it back to her.
Her bag. Where'd you find it?
At a subway station.
No kidding. Want me to give it to her?
No.
Oh, hey, I'm Frank.
Quincy.
Oh, I hope she's okay. When I put my ear to the door, I thought I heard maybe a cat or something. Do you know if there's anyone supposed to be watching over our heads? We might need to get into her apartment.
We?
Not break in, I'm not trying to bust her door down or anything like that. But if there's an animal inside, or maybe she's inside, she needs help. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so how do you know Barbara?
I know her from work.
Well, I don't work in an office.
The big, boring office job.
Yeah. Real big snooze fest. So, like I'm saying, I can give it to her at work.
Yeah, no thanks. I'm gonna track her down. Frank, thank you.
Okay. So, I'm pretty sure that I just gave away the fact that I don't really know her. But what I also know is that you don't really know her either. So how about this? You can put that bag down. No fuss, no muss. What do you say?
Sorry, I can't do that.
That was the wrong answer. Tell me where you found this bag. Don't make me take another finger. Does this have anything to do with the Rice Bear account? Tell me where you found this bag.
Why are you doing this? It's gonna kill you.
You're the only one. that really listen to my music. You don't know how much that meant to me. In fact, it's helping me fight pain right now.
You should tell him that you don't know anything.
Oh, I did. Guys like Frank, they just want to hurt people.
Play for me. Play my song. Hero theme song. Coming on strong. You're wearing your disguises all over town.
You better tell me something. Tell me about this bag. You're telling me a whole lot of nothing right now. Your name's not really Quincy, is it? You're lying to me about that also. Tell me your real name. Who are you?
All over town.
Tell me about...
Hey, Barbara.
Hey, Quincy.
See, you got your bag back.
Thanks to you.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Your ID says that you live downtown. What are you doing up here?
I was coming to hear you play, Quincy.
You went out of your way to hear me play. That's sweet, thank you. That meant a lot to me. And saving me from Frank.
It was the least I could do for you, Quincy.
I suspect you want to find out what I've told Frank.
Yes.
I didn't tell him anything. I don't know anything about you. I suspect what I do know is too much, right?
Yes, Quincy.
Me knowing you and what you look like. That is the problem you have to take care of.
Yes. Yes, Quincy.